For the braised pork, we need pork belly, string onions, bay leaf, water, brown sugar, cooking wine, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, ground black peppercorns whole, and red cayenne pepper ground. First we're going to do is to boil water, and once this is boiled, we're going to boil our pork for about 5 minutes just to get rid of the impurities. The water is boiling right now, so we can add the pork belly. Put the lid back, and we're gonna boil this for about 5 minutes before we're going to take this out. So it's been 10 minutes, guys. I lied. I said 5 minutes boiling the pork belly. Since my pork belly is a little bit of frozen, so I extended the time, adding 5 more minutes. So as you can see here, you can tell that some impurities of the pork comes out. Next is to transfer this to a non-stick pan. And I have here a non-stick pan ready. We're going to add first the string onions. The purpose of the string onions is to prevent the pork not stick to the cooking pan. And then we're going to add our meat. Then we're going to add our seasoning. Add bay leaf, light soy sauce, cooking wine, black peppercorn, ground pepper, brown sugar, and red cayenne pepper, just to add a little bit kick on the meat. And last but not the least is our water. And we're going to turn on our stove and cover this and let it boil. Once it is boiled, we're going to simmer for about 30 minutes in a low temperature heat. So it's been 30 minutes, so we're going to flip to the other side the pork. Ooh. I like the smell right now. It so smells good. gonna carefully flip this to the other side. Just wanna make sure. Oh! And we're going to simmer this for another 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes. So this is ready. We can transfer this to our steamer. And we're gonna steam this for about 2 hours in a high temperature heat. And we're just gonna make sure that it is covered well. So we're gonna transfer these. I'm just gonna be careful so it's not gonna mess up our skin. We're gonna add the sauce. And we're gonna turn our stove. So after 2 hours, guys, this is it. It is so tender. Look at that. That is so tender. And I'll show you guys how to do this. Let's try to hook this part here. Oh my gosh. That is so tender. There you go, guys. My finished braised pork belly. And it's ready to serve for our dinner. Prepare this with the quinoa salad that I made for dinner tonight. There you go. This is my plating. I got some kimchi, some quinoa salad, and my braised pork belly.